Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abiyah Israel. If you are new here, I do make videos here on YouTube. It's been a hot minute since I have braids now. Things have changed. 2018, the last couple months were a bit rough for me. Don't want to talk about it. But I have noticed the people that have subscribed to my channel, so I want to thank you so much. I have noticed, and I love you all. So I am back making more videos, and I thought I'd do a review video because people seem to really like those. So I'm getting ready, and I thought might as well make a little vid. So I'm going to be reviewing, if it will also, my camera is very dangerously placed on like this ring light that I have, so at any moment it could fall and this could all be over. So that's what you're getting. That's what you're getting here. Anyway, so I thought I would review the Covergirl Clean Liquid Foundation. Can you see it? Is it there for you? Nope. Maybe you can't see it. Okay. We're working on things. We're working on focus. We're working on lighting. It's fine. But I got this probably 2 or 3 months ago, and I thought I'd do a review because I've been using it for a while, so I know what it's like. I know if I like it. I know if I don't. I know if it's a kiss. I know if it's a DISS. So stay tuned to find out. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put this on my face right now. Let's go. So I've been using this. If you haven't heard of this, hilarious story. The reason why I bought it because your girl was low on dem funds and I needed a new foundation, and this was like the cheapest one at Target. It was literally, it's $6. It's literally $5.99 at Target. So I said, great, I'm buying it. So it's a clean liquid foundation. I don't really know what the clean means, but what it says on the back is it's designed for normal skin, natural lightweight coverage that feels and looks fresh. So it's like a lightweight coverage foundation. So it's like a little bit like, it's a bit watery. So you go shake it up. And I have found that the best way I like to apply this is with my hands. And you will notice the smell as soon as you open it. And it's not like a bad smell, but it smells like a kind of like a, I don't know, what's that thing called? Oh, Noxzema, like that stuff you put on your face. It kind of has like a strong cleansing smell, but it's not bad. It just doesn't, you wouldn't think foundation would smell like this. And I think it might have something to do with like the clean, so maybe it's like good for your skin. It doesn't say that on the back though. So here it is. I like to just do this. Some people might cringe, but just make sure your hands are clean. And as you can see, it's very like, it comes out pretty quick. So I'll usually just get about this much on the old handage, and I'll just rub it together, and then I'll just put it on the old face. As you can see, again, this is like a lightweight foundation, and okay, so here is the foundation on my face, and I would say it's about, I don't really know how to measure it, but I did about two glops on my face, and it's not meant to be like a buildable foundation. It's very lightweight. I would say it's a mixture between it's like the perfect mixture between like a BB cream and a foundation, because it's light enough that it doesn't feel cakey or it doesn't feel super heavy, but it covers the imperfect on your face. Obviously it's not high coverage, so like this pimple isn't going to be covered. I have some zits around here, but for me it's really the perfect foundation that I've been looking for, because I just want to put something on quick that covers, but you know, doesn't take forever to put on. And I've been using this for about 2 to 3 months now, and I absolutely freaking, again, it's lightweight. I'd say it's a mixture between a BB cream and a foundation, and I think it's great because you can quickly put it on. It adheres to the skin, it looks natural, It's a bit glowy, and it's great. I really, really love this product. And for $6, like, it's crazy. For $6, this is crazy. I think it's crazy. Now, it is lightweight, so it's not full coverage, and it doesn't necessarily last all day. If I wear it with just like nothing, like no like concealer or anything, it lasts about 4 to 5 hours. But when I do want it to last a full day, I will make sure that I put on a good concealer, and I'll put powder on it to set it in, and it does last. It does last like 7 to 8 hours when I do those other things. But I definitely love this product. I think it might be my favorite drugstore foundation because it's literally $6, like so cheap, and it works so well. It works so well. The Covergirl Clean foundation. Oh, I'm in the shade 155 Soft Honey, and it matches my skin pretty much perfectly. So is this a kiss or a diss? I would definitely say it's a kiss. It is a great product, especially for only $6. And I think it's also a great product if you're new to foundation and makeup and you're just getting into it. It's a great product because it's not super heavy. It's not gonna, like, it's not something scary to work with. It's very light. You can play with it. So that is my quick little review. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you've tried this foundation, if you like this foundation, or if you don't like this foundation. A girl wants to know, so let me know. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell notification because YouTube don't be wanting to tell people when we be posting. So that's about it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a good day or night wherever you might be, and I'll see you in my next video.